So I was talking to the guys on my channel, and a bunch of them said that I ought to do a walk around of the 2019 Street Glide. So that's what we're gonna do. There it is back there. So this is my 2019 Street Glide Special. Now I bought it new last year, so I bought it in 2020. But a few things I've done on it. You can see the Lepera Maverick seat was an upgrade, or a change. I was fine with the stock seat, but my wife was not. Covering up those reflectors. Haven't done anything with the intake. Not quite yet. Got the lowers from Advan Black, paint matched to this Barracuda Silver. I think if you take a look, really hard to see any difference between factory. Get closer. Between factory and the Advan Black. I got my Chop Tour pack in there. That came from Hogworks, but along with Hogworks, I got the light upgrade, so the smoked signals and the ring headlight. Nothing too much. Little bell the wife put on there. Got the Clockworks, shoot, I don't remember, 6.5 Clockworks windshield on there. And then we can take a look at the other side. Yes, I had to get a custom shift linkage. One of my mottos, handle your shit. It's kind of something we live by in this household. Anyway, first Harley. I've been riding for 30 years, easy. And first Harley, I went with the Reinhardt slip-ons. Not many other upgrades on there. I guess I've got the Willie G grips, Willie G tank cover. What else is Willie G? I think a horn cover. This little screw. I don't know if you can see that. I just thought that was cool. Jumped on that. The rack is from Advan Black. Or no, that's from Hogworks as well, I think. So I removed the rack and I can put the tour pack right on the same hardware, but I kind of like the rack. Got the black license plate upgrade, I suppose. I did show you that. Shouldn't be showing the number, but whatever. Anyway, that's it, man. I haven't done too much to it, but I sure do think it's sweet. Gonna go take a ride today. It's supposed to be, maybe even 70 today if we get lucky. Took it out yesterday, gave it just a little wash. Didn't go deep clean. You can see I didn't get everything, but got up the dirt off, the dust off. I guess everyone likes to do a startup when we do this, huh? So I guess I'll do a startup. Let's see, what do I see when I... Okay, had the music up a bit. Sorry. How am I going to do this? intake, exhaust, they're in the header. Probably keep the Reinhardts, or maybe something like that, maybe. That's it. There's my walk around. All right, that's it.